If your timeline gets cluttered, or you need to move related pieces of media at once, groups are the answer. To group media, select the pieces you want within a group, right-click on the media, and select Group. This can be done on the canvas or on the timeline. To move the group around, click and drag it to the desired location on the timeline. While being able to group media is not new, Camtasia 2021 introduces a new tabbed approach for easy editing. To open a group, click this plus button. This opens the group in its own tab, and from here, edits can be made to the group independent of the rest of the project. This is helpful when placement and timing within a video is the goal. To close the group, simply close the tab. You can give the group a name for easier recognition. Right-click on the current group name and choose Rename Group. If you plan on using this content in other videos, right-click on the group and choose Add to Library. This makes it available across all your projects. If the group is no longer needed, right-click on it and choose Ungroup. Using groups is just one way to expand the editing capabilities of Camtasia. To learn more, take a look at our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.